Hello everyone. Here we will give a supplementary explanation of body shaping. Regarding body shaping, here we open the tool, then load the locator. We can see that there are some new buttons here. Here, they are some attributes related to the calculator. Related to body shaping, we can first look at this button, which helps us find the bones for shaping and see which stage it belongs to. For example, we can directly click this. Then we know it's here. Let's try using this too. For example, this shaping. We delete this. Then activate it by double-clicking. Now we enter an editing interface. First, here we can edit its. What's this called? Calculator properties. For example, here. For example, here. These are, for example, test. Then it's pure calculation design. Then this only calculates when rotating. Only the degree in the range is calculated. This only the twist is calculated here. Only twist is calculated. Then this is calculated using Euler angles. Below are some interpolation methods, Gaussian, linear, etc. And here, it doesn't matter whether this is changed, because for DNA-driven, this is locked to always. Here, we move this. Suppose this is for shaping. For example, we move this. Then click Update. We can see this has taken effect, just that it hasn't been saved to DNA yet. If it needs to be saved in DNA, we move it again. Click Save. Click Create. When combining with expressions, it will take effect. And here it is also changed, meaning if you modify it, it will take effect in real time. Here we need, I think it was this one just now. Change it back. Then click Save again. Here we can check the info. We also added a method to create frames. For example, we still use this. Delete, then activate. Select any. You can see here, it is at -120 degrees on the z-axis. And this is the same, also selected on the z-axis. Same axis. Then we can click this. It can create different shapings on the same axis as frame. You can actually see, these are the shapings we just created. The 0 frame is the default state. We can only edit on these keyframes. Then, for example, at frame 90, we adjust it randomly. Then at this point, you need to key it, key to definitely record. Then at 150, lower it a bit, same, we key it. Assume we think it's fine. Of course this edits all, but all on the same axis. Click once. Now it's done. Then, for example, we check. Frame 90 pulled out, frame 150 pulled down. We can see shaping was successful. At this point we need to click Save. After saving, create. The effect is truly written into the locator. This is a supplementary explanation of body shaping. Thank you everyone.